Hello guys. So today we are going to explain how to check gas quality in hospital premises. In hospital we are using oxygen, air, nitrous, CO2 for the patient purpose, right? Ventilators, anesthesia machines are operated on the oxygen and nitrous. In big hospitals, what is the thing? All these gases comes to the copper pipeline, right? And there are length of that copper pipeline is very huge, right? In a hospital it is around in the kilometers, right? So sometimes what happen, due to the long running of that particular gases, some contamination has to be what we can say that added in the pure oxygen or air, right? So such type of contamination sometimes dangerous to the patient. So for to avoid the such things, what we are doing, we are just going to check the quality of gases at the end point in the ICU. Right now we are in the ICU. This is nothing but pendant through which you get the oxygen, air and vacuum. So today I am just going to tell you how to make the quality check of the oxygen at the end. Right, come close. See, so this is nothing but drag-make kit, right? For that we are using such type of kits company has provided. These are the tubings for the checking of the oxygen quality. They have given the ppm parameters are there, right? So in such type of kits, what happen exactly, it will be change its color coding if there is any contamination inside the oxygen. So what type of gases we are going to check? Come close. Is there oil exist, CO2, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, nitrogen fumes, carbon monoxide and water. Now we are going to check the oxygen. See, for that they have given the different color codings. For the oxygen white, for the air white black, for the carbon dioxide gray is there, nitrous oxide blue and only nitrogen there is a black. Now for the oxygen they have given the white color coding. So in this, where white has to be appear, for that only we have to connect the tubings, right? So these are the three tubings we are going to connect here. For that they have provided this cutter. In the both end we have to just cut the simple tubing, right? In this way you can cut. Now this is where we have to push. This is for the H2O. See, they have provided arrow on the tube, right? In the flow direction. In this way, you have to just insert. So one end goes to this side, and other end is to this side. This is for the hydrogen. Sorry, this is for the water. Next one is for the. This is for CO2. Right? How to identify this is for the CO2? They have mentioned here CO2, right? This is CO2. You have to connect here only. This is nothing but CO2. Connect in proper direction. And this is for the carbon monoxide, right? See, you can see this is nothing but carbon monoxide. In this way, you have to connect. In this way, you can check either there is the existence of carbon monoxide inside the oxygen. Right? So now we have connected all these three tubings. So after that, we have to supply the gases. For that, you put that just one more thing very important. Before giving the gas to this, we have to just flush the oxygen. Now I am going to just flush. Just flush it. After that, the gas has to be come. And now just connect it here. Press. Right, and wait for the 3 minutes. Right, and after 3 minutes, you just observe the. Now we have just put timer here. After 3 minutes, you just observe the different color coding. Their color get changed, right? and there are some readings you have to just put in the software, and you will get the different contents which are exist in the what we can say that in oxygen supply or in air supply or in nitrous or in CO2. They have just manipulated a particular range which are suitable for the use. If such type of contents are more than the range, it is difficult to use for the patients. We have to take necessary actions to remove that content, right? So according to NABH protocol, such type of testing has to be mandatory yearly, in the once in the year, right? So in this way you can test the oxygen supply quality check, right? Thank you. Now 3 minutes, you can observe 3 minutes has been completed. So after 3 minutes, just disconnect the oxygen supply, and now we have to just check either color get changed or not. Remove it one by one. Now see, you can observe the change in the color. There is no change in the colors, right? That means our oxygen level or purity has to be good, right? It is not hazardous to the patient. So with help of such,
how to change the color. This one is for the ear.
yeah, this one is for the air, right? See, you can just make the comparison also. See, can you observe? This is nothing but change in color, right? But what's the value? It's only 35, which is a permissible, right? But for the oxygen, it's very small one. You can observe. It's a negligible one, right? That means there is no any content inside the oxygen. So in this way, you can check the purity of oxygen supply, right, at the end point. Thank you.